Go.
Greetings of the day. Today we present Viro. Every 8 seconds, someone injects insulin. Over 150 to around 200 million people worldwide rely on this insulin therapy. These insulin vials must be stored between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. If these vials get even slightly too hot or cold, even for an hour, the insulin becomes ineffective, even dangerous in some cases. The problem is that in real life, people carry insulin while commuting, working or traveling, often in hot and humid conditions. And most existing cooling solutions are unreliable, offer no real-time temperature visibility and often fail without any warning. This puts lives at risk every single day.
This pulled us to the innovation of Viro, which is a compact, smart, portable cooling device designed for insulin and vaccine safety. What sets Viro apart is its precision-based smart system. It shows real-time temperature on display, it works in high heat and humidity, and still provides uniform cooling, thanks to the thermoelectric cooling technology. It's shock protected, stores 2 vials, and recharges easily, which makes it easy to carry anywhere, even in rural areas and emergency situations. And the best part, Viro isn't just for insulin. It can be used to store any temperature-sensitive vaccines or injections, making it versatile.
Now let's talk about the competitors. When we compare it to other products like Siemens Case, Fryo or Breezy Packs, we realize that they have many drawbacks. They don't display real-time temperature, often fail, and also don't work in high humidity and high temperature. Though Viro also uses hydrogel just as products like Breezy Packs, it is irreplaceable and sealed in them. On the other hand, the hydrogel in Viro can be replaced, making it more long-lasting. Talking about the costing, the approximate cost of our product is around ₹700, which makes it accurate and more reliable as well as affordable.
Coming to the global insulin market, which is expected to grow from $33.8 billion in 2025 to over $107 billion by 2034, which shows that Viro's growth would go skyrocketing with precision cooling anytime, anywhere.
Thank you.